Oh, we need the tree, huh? You think you can carry the tree? Ouch. Don't pull it. It's gonna fall on you. Your shoes on the wrong feet. Yeah. You gonna put them on the right feet? Yeah? Okay. Welcome in, everybody. It's Alone Diva V in the place to be, y'all. So today we are going to be sprucing up this area, adding some mulch, and fixing all of the trees and get them ready for the spring season. Okay, if you're gonna be in my camera, you gotta put in some work. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I don't know why I thought 4 bags was gonna be enough. Looks like I'm gonna be taking another trip to the big box store. All right, y'all, so this is what everything looks like. So let me show you guys. This is starting from right here. This is blueberry tree. That is Angelica, my angel trumpet. Y'all know she comes back area. I forgot what this was, but I left it there just in case it comes back. This is Fagora, my fig tree. And this is Figurina, my other fig tree that I bought from Lowe's last year. It was on its last leg, so I thought, but guess what? She done came on back. This is my, oh, I forgot what it is. Jegs, J3GS sent me that. That is a, I want to say a guava, but I'll put the name on the screen somewhere just to be sure. I haven't named that one yet. This is another blueberry tree. So I took that one blueberry and split it up into 4. This is a new addition to the garden. This is Charlie Murphy, y'all. This is Charlie Murphy. All right. That's Charlie Murphy. And this is his brother over here. This is Eddie Murphy. This is Eddie. So this is the Pink Lady apple tree. And this is the crab apple tree. That is a, I think, a pomegranate. That is cherry, my cherry tree. The blueberries, that is Low, my mayhaw tree. That is the other blueberry tree. This is a crepe myrtle. She doesn't have a name. This is Martin, as in Martin Lawrence. This is my calamundan citrus. And this is good old Karina. As you guys can see, she is coming back. I'm thinking about taking one of these and making a cutting from Karina. That is my Meyer lemon tree right there. So I'm gonna step back so you guys can see everything, all of the trees. So this is my fruit section, all of my fruit trees, fruits and berries. All right. And while I'm standing here, this is gonna be called the Land of Plentiful, y'all. So I think I'm gonna get me a sign right there and put the Land of Plentiful, because it's gonna give me plenty of fruits. I'm naming it the Land of Plentiful because it's gonna give me plenty of fruit, plenty of food to feed the family. All right, y'all. Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you as a member over here. Don't forget to check out my websites and social media handles listed below. My Amazon affiliate links below also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for rocking with me. Don't forget to check out Trivia Tuesdays every Tuesday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time on Facebook and on the Tube. It's Salon Diva V, and I'm out, y'all. You know what it is. Peace.